Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool HOUSNG-DRYER LINT part #W10906551. Whirlpool HOUSNG-DRYER LINT part #W10906551 is a replacement part for Whirlpool dryers. It is a lint filter housing that helps to trap lint and other debris from the dryer exhaust. The lint filter housing is made of durable plastic and includes a lint filter, which should be cleaned regularly to ensure optimal performance of the dryer. This part fits most Whirlpool dryers and is easy to install. It is important to replace the lint filter housing when it becomes worn or damaged, as this can cause poor drying performance and even fires due to excess lint. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace the lint filter in a Whirlpool dryer. It helps to reduce the amount of lint that accumulates in the dryer and helps to improve airflow, which can help improve drying performance. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the dryer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the lint filter housing to the back of the dryer. 3. Pull out the old lint filter housing and discard it. 4. Place the new lint filter housing in. Place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in your dryer and test it to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.